Welcome to Stacey D's Kitchen. As it's Valentine's Day coming up, I was trying to think of what I could show you that I like to make to give my loved ones for Valentine's Day. Today I'm going to show you the most gorgeous fudgy chocolate brownie cookie, and I really hope you enjoy making it with me. We need to cream together the butter and the sugar. There's 125 grams of softened unsalted butter. Pop that into your stand mixer, followed by 175 grams of caster sugar. Now we're going to cream them together until they're light and fluffy. Once the butter and sugar are creamed together, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and crack in an egg. And then mix it together until smooth. Scrape down the sides of the bowl once or twice during this process to make sure that all of the cream, butter and sugar have been mixed in with the egg and there's no bits left at the bottom of your bowl. Okay, so once it looks like this, it's ready for the next stage. Now all that's left to do is incorporate the dry ingredients. There's 40 grams of cocoa powder in here. I always use the best quality cocoa powder I can find. It does make a difference to the taste. And 125 grams of plain flour. Pop that on the top. And the last thing is half a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda. Pop that in. I'm going to very slowly incorporate this. And I'm going to speed it up a little bit. This is a wonderful thing to give at Valentine's Day, but also for anybody you love at any time of year. It makes the most gorgeous, chewy and gooey brownie cookie. And it can even be sent in the post. And I'm just going to give it one more go. Perfect. Now grab yourself a pan. I've used a heart one because it's Valentine's Day. You don't feel you have to use a heart one. Use a round one if you want, or a square one. But hearts, they're very easy to get hold of, these pans. Most places sell them. And get yourself some cooking spray and generously spray the bottom of the pan. We're not lining this pan. It's not even necessary to line it. Just spray it with cooking spray if it's non-stick. It's totally fine. Try and get as much mixture off of your paddle attachment as you can before pouring it into your tin. So I'm just going to blob it in. Right, I've got as much as I can out of here. I know who'd like to eat this later. At the moment, it looks like this in the pan. We have to now push it down. And it is rather sticky. So wet your fingers and push it down with some damp fingers. That's the best way to ensure that your fingers do not stick to the dough. Try and make it as even as possible going all the way across, because otherwise you'll have a bigger bit in the middle or a bigger bit on one side. So try and flatten it out as much as possible. And here you go, it should look something like this. I'm using my favourite glitter today. This is a crystal kaleidoscope edible glitter. And what I'm going to do is just pop a little bit into the lid and just sprinkle it on. When it's baked with the glitter, it looks so beautiful when it comes out. Now, this baby is going in the oven on 190 degrees or 170 degrees fan for 20 minutes. And now I'm going to prepare my ganache. That's great. Now your cookies come out the oven, just leave it in the tin to cool completely. See you later. It's taken around an hour, but I've now taken the brownie cookie out of the tin and it's ready to decorate. Check out my tutorial on making white chocolate ganache. This one is a milk chocolate ganache. All you have to do is watch the video and substitute white chocolate for milk chocolate, and you'll get the most beautiful, silky smooth ganache that you can put onto this beautiful fudgy brownie cookie. I'm going to pipe some large roses on here. I think we're not going to overdo it too much. I'm just going to have a little bit of decoration in the corner. Squeeze the ganache out. Delish. Put one more down here. In this icing bag, I'm using a different shaped nozzle. I'm just going to pipe some little flowers around it. I went down to my local baking shop and I bought some very pretty edible red roses, which I'm just going to add to make it a little bit colourful. Put one there. And there we have it. Now you know how to make my gorgeous chocolate fudgy brownie cookie. I really hope you enjoy making it and eating it as much as I do. Thanks so much for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, then please click the subscribe button and I'll see you next time. Bye.